Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of industries worldwide. And guess what? Pakistan is not far behind in this tech revolution. If you're curious about how to jump into AI learning, stick around because today I'm sharing the top AI courses in Pakistan that can level up your skills and open doors to exciting opportunities. Let's dive in. Why AI is important. First things first. Why should you care about AI? Well, AI is everywhere. From personalized Netflix recommendations to smart virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is improving our everyday lives. But that's not all. AI is transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and even transportation. It's automating repetitive tasks, reducing human errors, and handling complex problems that humans can't manage alone. So, if you want to stay relevant in this fast-changing world, learning AI isn't just an option, it's a must. Now, let's explore the top AI courses offered in Pakistan that can help you master this game-changing technology. Top AI courses in Pakistan 1. Presidential Initiative for Artificial Intelligence and Computing. PIAIC. For beginners, PIAIC offers a one-year comprehensive AI course covering essential topics like cloud computing, blockchain, IoT, and of course, artificial intelligence. If you're just getting started in tech, this course will prepare you for the future of computing. 2. Virtual University of Pakistan, VUP. Virtual University offers AI courses for both IT and non-IT professionals. Their program covers machine learning, robotics, neural networks, and natural language processing, perfect for anyone looking to dive deep into AI concepts. Third National Center of Artificial Intelligence, NCAI. Based at NUST Islamabad, NCAI focuses on training AI specialists through hands-on learning. They offer courses in AI development, skill building, and product creation. This is a top choice if you're aiming for research or product-based roles. 4. Iqra University, IU. At Iqra University, the focus is on real-world AI applications. Their specialized AI courses ensure that students are industry-ready with practical skills to succeed in the AI job market. 5. ComSats, University Islamabad, CUI. ComSats offers advanced AI courses that cover deep learning, big data, and AI applications across industries. If you're serious about building a career in AI, this is a solid option. 6th, FAST National University. FAST University offers a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science with a focus on AI. This program gives students a strong foundation in AI concepts and practical applications, preparing them for high-demand roles. AI diploma programs in Pakistan. Now, let's talk about some excellent diploma programs you can take to kickstart your AI journey. Machine Learning Specialization. This diploma covers essential machine learning concepts, algorithms, and real-world applications. Perfect for beginners and pros who want to get a solid grasp of machine learning. Deep Learning Specialization. Want to dive into neural networks? The Deep Learning Specialization covers convolutional and recurrent networks, preparing you for advanced AI roles and research positions. Google AI Machine Learning Crash Course. Google AI's Machine Learning Crash Course is a fast-paced, video-based program. It focuses on practical applications, helping you learn ML concepts through real-world exercises. PyTorch Fundamentals. If you're interested in deep learning frameworks, PyTorch Fundamentals is a great place to start. PyTorch is a popular tool in AI research, and learning it will give you an edge in the industry. Why these courses matter so? Why are these courses so important? Well, AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a career-defining skill that companies across Pakistan and the globe are looking for. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to switch careers, there's an AI course out there for you. And trust me, investing in your AI education now will pay off big in the future. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, the future is all about artificial intelligence. And with Pakistan making great strides in this field, you have plenty of opportunities to learn and grow. If you're serious about your career in tech, start exploring these courses today. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be interested too. Let's help each other grow in this ever-evolving tech world. Hit that like button, subscribe for more informative content, and let me know in the comments which course you're planning to take. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.